Former President Trump inside a New York City courtroom criticizing the case against them and the officials involved. Mr. Trump telling reporters officials involved in the civil trial should be focused on violent crime, even calling the New York State Attorney General corrupt.
But this isn't about politics, it's about fraud, and the judge has already determined the Trump organization committed fraud for years. Local 10's Glenna Milberg is in the newsroom with this developing story. Glenna.
Nicole, Calvin, opening day just ended. It is a fraud case about the former president exaggerating his net worth to enrich himself and to cheat the system. He himself turned it into politics today and into a campaign appearance right there in the courthouse.
Even before opening statements,
the crime is against me.
The former president held court in the hallway, pulling the victim card that has in the past rallied his base.
Banks loved our business. They loved our deals. They weren't defrauded.
His hallway campaign stop held up the hearing of his New York civil fraud trial, the penalty phase of sorts, because the judge reviewing documents already ruled last week he and his sons did inflate the Trump organization's assets by more than $2 billion.
No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
New York's Attorney General called it consistent and repeated fraud, vastly inflating values of his properties, including his commercial properties in New York and Mar-a-Lago in Palm Beach. Trump verbally attacked her and the judge in the case, personally, potentially defamatory attacks at the hallway mic.
We're wasting our time on this trial.
Those real estate assets are what's on the line here, as well as being banned along with his sons from doing business in New York. The very foundations of the Trump brand increasingly connected with alleged fraud.
In the last few minutes of court, the judge narrowed the transactions that he's considering because of the statute of limitations. The AG has 28 potential witnesses to call, including Trump himself, his sons, his daughter, Ivanka. The opening day today is the start of what could be a 3-month case.